It's the third morning of our hike here at Mintara Hut, and we've had quite a bit of snow. 25 centimeters of snow fell last night. It's just gorgeous here. This is a weka. We've done the weather forecast for today, and it's not going to be good enough for us to walk over that pass, which is McKinnon Pass. On this rock face here, we have quite a bit of avalanches have been coming down, and as the snow melts, that will continue. We will be getting a helicopter here shortly to get over the McKinnon Pass and dropped on the other side. Then we can do an hour and a half walk up to a waterfall, which we'll do, and then we've got about an hour and a half down to the other hut. So it's going to be a pretty interesting day. We're in group 1 and we're going to head down to the helicopter pad. It's coming in, but the weather has also packed it in. We're headed towards the Sutherland Falls, crossing this bridge in the river. And that right there is McKinnon Pass. So if you ever do the Milford Track, that's what you have to come over. And there's Sutherland Falls. There's the Sutherland Falls. And the key is sitting there. Little pack rats, they'll steal anything from you. Tried to steal some sunglasses from me. Packing it in, it's getting pretty cold.